Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to super clean your windshield. Use some soapy water and liberally spray the windshield. Be sure to get your windshield wipers up out of the way if they move up that way. Some vehicles, those windshield wipers will not stand up like that. But as you see, I am using a paper towel. I like to use a paper towel for the first go around. That's the results of the first. After you do that, use a clay bar. You can find these in an auto parts store. And all you're doing is rubbing the clay on the windshield. After you've wet it again with soapy water, the clay picks up any contaminants that might be on the windshield. Be sure to get the entire windshield, top to bottom, left to right. And if you see streaks with it, don't worry about it too much because you're going to be wiping it down again with soapy water. Spray it on down again. Clean it with the paper towel one last time. And then you're going to buff with a waffle weave towel. The key is with that waffle weave towel, because that will lessen your chance of getting streaks in the windshield. Now for the trick, ceramic coating. Spray it on and buff it in. The ceramic coating will allow the water to bead up. It's a little bit easier to apply than regular paste wax. Although paste wax tends to last a little bit longer. We're gonna make sure that it's completely buffed in. And move to the inside of the vehicle. Repeat the process of using soapy water and a waffle weave towel. On the inside, you should not use any waxes or ceramic coatings, as they may cause the interior to fog up. So check out these results. Please like the video if you learned something new. Subscribe and comment.